Hey, what's up guys, this is Rajesh and you are watching Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about arithmetic operator and assignment operator in JavaScript in a very simple way. Okay, so first of all I have created a .html file, that is index.html, and then inside this I have write this basic HTML snippet here, and inside the body tag I have write the script tag here. Okay, and then I have start the server using go live button here. Okay, now I have come to the console and here we'll implement all the things. Okay, first of all we'll discuss about arithmetic operator. I hope you know what is operator. If I write here 10 plus 5, here this plus is an operator. Okay, we'll discuss about this. So arithmetic operator, so plus is an arithmetic operator. Okay, so let's see the arithmetic operator first. So plus, this is arithmetic operator, then minus, then asterisk sign, this is for multiplication, then division, then modulus, this is for remainder calculation, and then double asterisk for exponent. Okay, so we'll discuss all about this in a very simple way. Okay, come to the console and write here 10 plus 6 and press enter. You can see output is 16. We can see 10 minus 6 and press enter. You can see output is 4. Okay, and if you multiply this 10 into 6, you can see result is 60, and 10 division 6, you can see this is the result of 10 division 6. And if I write here 10 modulus 6, then you can see the result is 4. 10 modulus 6 means the remainder is 4. Okay, this is the result. And if you want to calculate the exponent, you can use like this. Suppose 5 double asterisk 2, this is for exponent. Okay, that is 5 square equals to 25. Okay, we have see all these things in the console. You can implement this here also. Suppose variable a equals to 10 and b equals to 6, and variable result equals to a plus b, and then console the result, save it, and you can see the result is 16. Okay, for quick learning and easy to understand, I was implementing all the things in the console. Okay, so you can implement in the console or in the script tag or here. Okay, now see the increment and decrement operator. So plus plus, this is called increment, and minus minus, this is called decrement. Okay, this is the increment operator and this is the decrement operator. Okay, now how we will implement this? Okay, let's clear the console, and here suppose we have a variable x equals to 10. Okay, now we increment x plus plus. If I write this plus plus symbol after the variable name, then this is called post increment, and if I write before the variable, then this is called pre-increment. So if plus plus is before the variable, then it is called pre-increment, and if it is after the variable, then we can call it as post increment. But we cannot write like this, pre-increment and post increment together. Okay, this is the wrong method. Okay, So if we pre-increment this, then for the first time it will be incremented. Okay, let's see why increment it. Okay, I have right here plus x, that is I am incrementing x by 1 using free increment. Okay, so press enter and you can see our result is 11. Now same thing I am doing, incrementing x using post increment method. Okay, and if I press enter, then you can see x value will not be incremented by 1 for the first time, but for the next time it will increment by 1. So for the first time the x value will be 11. Okay, so press enter and you can see x value is 11. As it is the post increment, it will increment after some operations. Okay, next press enter and now you can see we don't have to do anything here, and x value will be incremented by 1. Okay, just write here x and press enter and you can see our x value is 12. So for the first time it was 11 as we were incrementing it using post increment method. So for the second time it increment by 1. So for the pre-increment the increment occurs first, and for the post increment the increment occurs last. Okay, so same thing for the decrement operator also. Suppose a equals to 20, and if we decrement a, then you can see the value of a is 20 as we are using post decrement method. If we write the a again and press enter, now you can see now it is decremented by 1. Okay, so if we free decrement this a, then it will decrement instantly. So just press enter and you can see its value is 18 and decremented from 19 to 18 at once instantly. Okay, so you can implement all these things in the JavaScript. Okay, for easy understanding I have implemented all the things in the console. Okay, now let's see the assignment operator. Okay, let's clear the console. So you know what is assignment operator. Suppose when you write variable x equals to 60, okay, then this equals to is called assignment operator. So 60 value 60 is assigned to the variable x. We are assigning the value to a variable. Okay, so this is the assignment operator. We'll see some common mostly used assignment operator like this equals to, or, and, plus assignment, minus assignment, asterisk assignment, division assignment, modulus assignment, and exponent assignment. Okay, let's see with some example here. Okay, suppose a variable x contains 60, okay, and we want to increase this x by 1. Then how we can write this? X equals to x plus 1. So this x value will be incremented by 1. Okay, let's save it and you can see x is incremented by 1 and our result is 61. Okay, now using this assignment operator we can write this line in a very short way. How? Just remove this x and change the place of this operator from here to here and save it, and you can see the output is same. So how it is working? So when we use x plus equals to 1, that means x equals to x plus 1. This first x will be incremented by its previous value. So when you are writing this x plus equals to 1, then this means x equals to this x equals to this x plus equals to 1. Okay, so suppose we are writing here variable k equals to 100 and k minus equals to 10, and we want to see the output. Okay, just save it and you can see our value is 90. Okay, so this is the very short term. We can use this plus assignment, minus assignment, like asterisk assignment. Okay, let's give here asterisk and then assignment equals to 10. So this will be k equals to k into 10. So our previous k value was 100. So this will be k equals to 100 into 10. That means 1000. So our result will be 1000. Okay, let's save it and see the output. And you can see this is 1000. Okay, so this is how the assignment operator works. Okay, let's see some other example by division assignment, modulus assignment, and exponent assignment. Okay, let's see with division assignment. Okay, division assignment, and give here suppose 2 and save it, and you can see 50. Why? K will be divided by 2, so k equals to k divided by 2, and our previous k value was 100 divided by 2, which is equals to 50. Okay, if we give here suppose this modulus sign and give here, okay, for easy understanding let's give here 10. Okay, so 10, k equals to 10 and k modulus equals to 7, and save it, and you can see our output is 3. Why? So here 3 is the remainder. If we divide 10 by 7, what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 3. So we cannot calculate the remainder using this division, so we can easily calculate this using this modulus operator. Okay, so if we write here 10 modulus 7, then the remainder will be 3, and here is the output. Okay, so suppose our k value is 10 and here we want to use this exponent. Okay, exponent 3, k exponent assignment 3. Okay, let's save it, and you can see this is 1000. Why 1000? Because our previous k value was 10 and we are doing some exponent over it, and 10 exponent 3, which is equals to 10 to the power 3, and 10 to the power 3 equals to 1000. So this was the arithmetic and assignment operators, and we have discussed all the things in a very easy way. Hope you understand the concept how we are using this. Okay, and hope you will practice all the things using different example, and please let me know in the comment section if you have practiced or not, and if you have practiced, give your code snippet in the comment section, and please like the video and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.